Alright, hello everybody. So recently we've started getting into blacksmithing a little bit. I bought this anvil, but the one problem is nowhere to put it. We've tried it on some fence posts. That doesn't really work out too well. Tried it on a couple other different stands. That's not working, so I've decided to go ahead and bite the bullet, buy some lumber, which is particularly expensive right now. And we're going to go ahead and try to make a stand. And I haven't seen anybody make one like this on YouTube, but we'll make one and try to have hangers where we can hang our hammers and where everything will be real convenient. Be able to move it around the shop, get it out of the way when we're not using it. Okay, so instead of actually going to the dry erase board, I'm just going to pull up the CAD here and kind of give you an idea of what we're working on. So the anvil, as you can see, will definitely mount on top. There will be 2x4s that wrap around to help provide support at the top and also make it a little bit wider so the anvil has a good wide, sturdy base to sit on. It's made out of 4x4 posts for the center columns and for the skis. And then we'll have 2x4s for the supports around it. It looks the same on both sides. And so we'll go ahead and start getting our wood cut and start putting it together. So we have our 4x4 blocks all cut, got it kind of stacked up here the way they're going to be. So next steps now are to go ahead and get it all fastened together. So we're going to do these 4 column pieces first. We're going to take pieces of all thread, go all the way through, and then put nuts on each side to help hold it together. Okay, to help hold all these together when we go to drill our holes through, we'll put a 2x4 cap on top, and that'll also give us a flat, smooth surface on top as well. And so we'll go ahead and get the 2x4 up here and we can get it marked and get it cut. Okay, so we got the stand built. We'll go ahead and get the anvil mounted on top, and that should pretty well wrap up this project. Alright, so we got the anvil mounted onto our base. It seems good and sturdy, good and stout. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. Should hold well. Height's about right. You can fully extend your arm with the hammer down, but you still have enough room to where you can get a good rebound. So it should be in good shape. And we'll try it out, and we'll probably have that in a future video. Thanks for watching.